In the tranquil silence of the morning, the jungle awakens, bathed in the golden light of a new day.
As the convoy enters the heart of the jungle, the roar of the jeeps announces the beginning of an exhilarating journey.
A new day begins in the jungle, where tigers, both mighty and serene, awake to greet the morning.
In the wild, the tigers move with strength and grace, their every step a testament to their untamed power.
In the heart of the jungle, millions of tigers gather, each one a silent sentinel of the wild, watching and waiting as the day unfolds.
The trucks move deeper into the jungle, their presence powerful against the backdrop of nature's unyielding beauty.
As the convoy enters the jungle, the roar of engines blends with the sounds of wildlife, creating a symphony of nature and adventure.
In this untouched world, trucks move slowly, while the jungle's majestic creatures walk undisturbed.
The wild tigers, once free, are now confined, their roars echoing in the stillness of the cage. The trucks leave the heart of the jungle behind, moving towards new horizons, carrying their captive cargo into the unknown. With a heavy heart, the majestic tigers are confined, their once boundless freedom now a distant memory.
With careful precision, the tigers are secured and ready for transport, their fate now in the hands of the steel beast.
As the tiger is lifted onto the truck, its journey begins, leaving the jungle behind and entering a new chapter of captivity. The trucks roll on, moving from the wilderness of the jungle to the vastness of the open world, their destination now in sight.
The trucks enter the heart of the operation, where advanced machinery and skilled workers will ensure the safe transfer of the cargo. As the trucks roll into the factory, the heart of the operation awaits, ready to begin the intricate process of unloading and processing. As the cages are safely unloaded, they're brought deeper into the factory, where the next steps in processing begin. The tigers, once wild, are now moved deep into the heart of the factory, where their journey takes a new turn.
In a carefully controlled process, the tigers are moved to their new environment, awaiting the next step in their journey.
The tigers are carefully secured, their movements now controlled, awaiting the next step in their journey.
Secured on chains, the tigers sit in stillness, their watchful eyes ready for whatever comes next.
With the tiger safely inside, the steel door seals behind it, enclosing it in the controlled space where the next phase will begin.
The tiger is ushered into its designated space, the steel door closing firmly behind it, ensuring its containment within the factory's walls.
From the other side of the room, fresh meat is brought in, ready to be processed with precision and care.
The meat is thoroughly washed, ensuring that every cut is free from impurities before moving forward in the production process.
Fresh cuts of meat are transported through the factory, making their way to the processing area, where the next step begins.
With every drop of water, the meat is cleaned and sanitized, ready for the next step in the journey towards perfection.
With precision and speed, the meat is cut into perfect portions, each slice ready for the next step in the process.
The meat is sliced with surgical precision, ensuring each cut is uniform and ready for the next stage in the factory's production line. Each cut of meat undergoes a meticulous inspection, ensuring that only the highest quality pieces move forward in the production line. In the factory's quality control area, each piece of meat is carefully inspected, ensuring only the best cuts continue through the process.
In the waiting area, the meat is carefully prepared for the final step, ensuring it meets the highest standards before packaging.
The meat patiently waits in the designated area, inspected and prepared for its next step, packaging.
Each cut of meat is carefully sealed and packed, ensuring it stays fresh and ready for shipment. With precision and speed, the meat is vacuum sealed and carefully packed, ensuring it's ready for the next phase of distribution.
After final inspection and packing, the meat is securely sealed and ready for shipment, ensuring it arrives fresh and in perfect condition. With precision, the meat is packed into boxes, ready for shipment to ensure freshness and quality on arrival. With precision, the tiger cages are gathered and organized, ensuring they are ready for the next step in the production process. Each cage is securely placed and organized, ready to be processed further in the factory's carefully structured environment. Each tiger skin is carefully treated with a chemical solution to preserve its quality and enhance its texture for the next phase.
The tiger skins are carefully collected and organized, ensuring they are ready for the next stage in the production line. Each tiger skin is gathered with precision and care, arranged for the next phase in the factory's process. Chemical processing ensures that each skin is perfectly treated, preserving its quality and preparing it for the next step in the production process.
Each tiger skin is thoroughly washed, removing impurities and preparing it for the next step in the treatment process.
With precision, the tiger skins are washed and cleaned, ensuring they are free from any residue before moving forward in the production process.
Each tiger skin is carefully hung to dry, ensuring that it remains soft and smooth for the next step in the process.
With precision, the tiger skins are carefully dried in a controlled environment, ensuring they maintain their integrity and quality.
With precision and care, the tiger skin is cut into perfect pieces, ready for further refinement in the factory. Each tiger skin is carefully and precisely cut, ensuring uniform sections ready for the next stage of processing. With care and skill, each tiger skin is stitched together, ensuring durability and precision for the final product.
Each piece of tiger skin is sewn with precision, creating strong and durable seams, ready for the next step in the factory's production line. With precision and skill, each tiger skin is carefully crafted into a jacket, combining craftsmanship with the raw beauty of nature. Every piece is carefully stitched together, creating a luxurious tiger skin jacket, ready to stand out with its strength and beauty. With precision, the final touches are applied to the tiger skin jacket, ensuring it is flawless before being packed for delivery.
Each piece of leather is expertly stitched, bringing the vision of luxury jackets to life.
In the heart of our factory, we begin the meticulous crafting of tiger skin jackets, where tradition meets advanced technology.
The final inspection ensures every detail is perfect, and the jacket is carefully packed and ready to be sent to its new owner. The man admires the craftsmanship of the tiger skin jacket, clearly impressed by its quality and fit. The man's satisfaction is evident as he inspects the fit and quality of the tiger skin jacket, appreciating its luxury and craftsmanship.